Hey guys, how's it going? How to stop Facebook from showing adult content. First of all, just open up the Facebook app, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and see this is the home feed. Click on your menu at the below right corner. Just go ahead right here to the settings gear and just go ahead to that scroll a little bit down before you go ahead to the meta, and just go ahead to the news feed. In the news feed, what you're gonna see what's in your feed. So you're gonna control the content that you receive on your home feed. Click reduce, and from here you're gonna see the sensitive content, right? Just go ahead right here and click on it, and basically what you're gonna do is you gotta just go ahead and reduce more, right? And that will show a fewer posts in your feed, things like sexually suggestive content, certain violent or graphic content, people who repeatedly share posts that go against the Facebook community standards. You may also see fewer posts from someone's friends, family, if they share this type of content. So hit OK, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.